The world is constantly evolving, and technology is advancing at a remarkable rate. Artificial intelligence has been making substantial progress in various aspects of human life. One area where AI is set to make a significant impact is the way wars are fought. We have moved beyond warfare that relies solely on human soldiers and their weapons, entering an era dominated by AI-driven warfare. Let's examine the many ways AI will alter the face of warfare and potentially redefine global security dynamics. Artificial intelligence will greatly transform warfare through the creation and deployment of autonomous weapon systems. These machine learning-driven weapons can identify, track, and engage targets without needing human intervention. This not only reduces risks to human soldiers but also enables faster and more efficient responses to threats. Imagine a swarm of AI-controlled drones that can accurately identify and neutralize enemy targets, or an autonomous tank navigating complex terrains while engaging adversaries with minimal human input. These advancements will undoubtedly change how wars are fought, possibly prompting new ethical and legal considerations for artificial intelligence's role in warfare. Machine learning holds great potential for enhancing decision-making processes in military operations by analyzing vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, providing actionable intelligence that would otherwise take humans hours or even days to process. For example, artificial intelligence can predict enemy movements and strategies, enabling military leaders to make well-informed decisions proactively. This ability could save lives, resources, time while improving overall military operation effectiveness. As cyber warfare becomes more significant in modern conflicts, AI will play an essential role in both offensive and defensive operations. AI-driven algorithms can detect counter-cyber threats, protecting critical infrastructure-sensitive data from adversaries. Moreover, AI can execute sophisticated cyber attacks against enemy networks, disrupting their communication decision-making capabilities. This type of warfare will likely become even more prominent in the future, with artificial intelligence serving as a vital component in an ongoing cyber arms race. Artificial intelligence won't entirely replace humans in warfare but will enhance human capabilities, forming a powerful partnership between man and machine. AI-driven systems can improve situational awareness, decision-making, and complex task execution, allowing human soldiers to concentrate on higher-level strategic thinking and planning. This collaboration between humans and machines will likely lead to more efficient, effective military operations, as well as new levels of adaptability resilience in the face of rapidly changing conflict scenarios. The widespread adoption of artificial intelligence in warfare will inevitably lead to ethical and legal debates. As autonomous weapon systems become more common, the lines distinguishing human from machine responsibility will start to blur. Questions regarding accountability for machine learning-driven weapon systems actions arise. How can we ensure that artificial intelligence-driven warfare adheres to international humanitarian law principles?